Okay, MC.
Okay. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Halo.
So we will do podcast. So I will be the MC on this podcast video. And
And my name is Satria Alim. I am be a speaker in this podcast video.
so today our topic in this podcast is about sportivity. So the first question is, what is the importance of mental health in the sport performance?
Mental health plays a critical role in sport performance. Athletes who maintain strong mental health are more likely to stay focused, manage stress, and perform under pressure. The mental side of sport often distinguishes top athletes from other techniques like visualization, mindfulness, and positive self-talk are used to enhance concentration, resilience, and emotional regulation, which are all vital, all vital for peak performance.
So the second question is, how has technology changed the way athletes train and compete?
Technology has revolution training and competition in sport. Wearable devices like fitness trackers help monitor vital statistic, while advanced performance analysis tools give insight into techniques and strategies. Virtual reality is being used for mental preparation and simulate game scenarios. Moreover, innovations in equipment design such as lighter and stronger materials have allowed athletes to push the boundaries of what physically possible.
So next is, what the key factors? What are the key factors that contribute to a successful team dynamic in sport?
Successful successful team dynamic in sport depend on communication, trust, and clear roles. Teams that foster open communication among players and coach tend to perform better as players are more willing to collaborate and give back feedback. Trust in each other ability ensures that player can rely on one another in high pressure situation. Furthermore, defining clear roles within the team helps players understand their responsibilities, leading the more efficient teamwork.
Fourth question: how can young athletes balance school and sport without burning out?
Balancing school and sports requires good time management, proper rest, and setting realistic goals. Young athletes need to prioritize their physical and mental health by ensuring they get enough sleep and recovery time. It's important for athletes to communicate with coach and teachers to manage expectation. Also, having a support system of family and friends can help relieve pressure and keep the athlete motivated to perform well in both areas.
Five question: what are the biggest challenge face the professional athlete after they
Retire.
retire?
After retirement, athletes face a range of challenges, from adjusting to a new identity outside of their sport to dealing with physical injuries that might have been overlooked during their career. Many struggle with the loss of structure and routine in their daily life. Financial management also becomes a key issue for athletes who may not have planned for life after their professional career. Psychological issues like depression or anxiety can arise due to the lack of competitive environment or the transition to a different career.
Thank you. So, sixth question: Who has who has diversity in inclusion influenced modern sport?
Diversity and inclusion have brought positive change in modern sport by fostering more opportunities for athletes from from different background. From different background, the rise of female athletes, as well as the breaking down of racial and cultural barriers, has led to a broader global representation in various sport inclusion initiatives also promote fairness, respect, and equality both on and off the field. This change helped to inspire the next generation of athletes and broaden the appeal of sports worldwide. Okay, next.
Okay, next question: How do athletes deal with injuries, both physical and mentally?
Athletes deal with injuries through a combination of physical rehabilitation and mental resilience. Physically, they follow structured recovery programs including physiotherapy, surgery, and necessary and strength training. Mentality, it's important for athletes to stay positive and patient, which can be a challenge when faced with setback. Many athletes lean on sport psychologists or mental health professionals to help them cope with frustration, fear of re-injury, and the emotional toll that long recovery periods can take.
Uh, what role the nutrition? What role does nutrition play in athlete performance?
Nutrition is vital for an athlete performance as it fuels their body, aids in recovery, and change over overall over health. A well balanced diet helps maintain energy levels, support muscle repair, and reduces the risk of injuries. Carbohydrates provide energy for endurance, while proteins help in muscle recovery. Proper hydration is also crucial as dehydration can lead to fatigue and this decreased performance. Athletes often work with nutrition, nutrition, nutritionists to create personalized meal plan based on their training needs and goals.
So, how do athletes manage the balance between competition and maintaining relationship?
Balancing competition with professional personal relationship is a delicate task for athletes. The demanding schedules, intense travel, and focus required for training can strain relationship with family, friends, and partners. Many athletes learn to manage this by setting boundaries, scheduling quality time, and relying on strong communication with loved ones. It's also crucial for athletes to have a support system that understands the nature of their career and can provide emotional support when needed.
So, next question is So next question, what impact does sport media have on way we preface athletes?
Sport media significantly shapes public perception of athletes. The media often focus on an athlete performance but can also delve into their personal life, creating a broader narrative that influences how fans view them. Positive media attention can elevate an athlete's career, while negative stories or critics can cause reputational damage. Athletes must navigate the spotlight often with the help of PR teams and maintain a positive public image while staying true to himself. Yeah.
So maybe that's all from our podcast. So thanks for Atar to become a speaker.
Yes, you're welcome.
So maybe that's from us.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.